I'm Cleon Shamburger, a newly appointed C-Shop Interiors lead at HAECO. I've been with the company for 17 years. I joined HAECO back in 2008 during a transition period in my career. Believing that the aviation industry could offer a great career, I took a course at a local community college and landed my first position here at HAECO. I've been with the company ever since. As a lead, I support my diverse team by assisting crews, handling non-routine tasks, and evaluating work. I see myself as a supportive guide within my team. Whenever there are questions or someone needs assistance, I'm there, often without being asked. My crew is a vibrant mix of individuals from various backgrounds, all driven to succeed. We constantly face challenges, but together we can overcome them and strive for greatness. I encourage my team daily by being transparent about our progress and setting them up for success. Ultimately, they're the ones who complete the work. I'm incredibly proud of their achievements. I strive to create an inclusive and motivating environment where everyone feels valued and motivated to work hard towards a common goal. I believe that we are all a team. When we win together. It feels great when our collective success is acknowledged, and it motivates me to take on more challenges. My team and I know that we can go further together at HAECO. We're building a strong community, one seat at a time.